Hello guys, you're watching the Payment Guide YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about getting the SWIFT code of Government Savings Bank Thailand. So the whole process of getting the SWIFT code of Government Savings Bank Thailand is going to be explained in this video step by step. So watch the video till the end. Do not skip any part of it. Before I proceed to the process of getting the SWIFT code of Government Savings Bank Thailand, if you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update of the latest videos. There's a link provided in the description box. By clicking the link, you'll come to this page. Here you can see four boxes. The first box is to select the country Thailand. In this box, Thailand is already selected. If it is not, then select Thailand. The second box is to select the bank. So here we will select bank, Government Savings Bank. The third box is to select the city. So in this we will select city of Bangkok. The fourth box is to select the SWIFT code. As we click it, here you can see the SWIFT code. By clicking the SWIFT code, the all information about the SWIFT code will be provided to us. So let's click it. And friends, here you can see our SWIFT code, and again in the key information the SWIFT code is provided here. The bank name is provided here and the bank is also provided here. So this is the method by which you can get the SWIFT code of Government Savings Bank Thailand. See you in another video. Subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon for the latest update of the latest videos. Don't forget to like, share and comment.